ONESPORT Ebike with me today. So whether you enjoy biking or you're looking to buy a bike, stick around for this review and we'll see whether ONESPORT truly lives up to its name. We're now going to be talking about the battery. So the battery comes with a 36 volt 15 amp and I'm going to show you how you can remove it. So all you want to do is quite a nice design. It's just you want to lift this upwards and the seat will come into the upwards direction to allow you to remove the battery. You then want to twist the key all the way this way. Then you've got a handle and simply lift up, put the battery back into the e-bike. What you want to do, you see this little part here to here, that's going to clip onto here. You want to slide that back into place, all the way down, and then you're going to hear a little click if you push down. Then make sure you lock it, and the lock will come out here, so that can't be removed. And then just reverse on the seat, clip, you'll hear that click, make sure it doesn't move. Bike's ready to go. I'm now going to be talking about the LCD display on the bike. So it's up here, you have your plus, minus and power button. So to turn it on, you want to press and hold the power button until everything lights up. So you can see here you have your miles per hour, your total mileage on your bike, how much battery charge you've got, and what pedal assist mode you're in. So you can go from pedal assist 1, 2, to 3, to 4, to 5. De-restricted, it'll go to about 21 miles an hour, which is quite a good speed. This bike comes with an optional throttle accessory. I haven't fitted the throttle yet, but comes with the bike. It's very simple. You just put the two connectors in and then you can mount it onto the handlebars. Probably move the bell across and mount it here. This will just allow you to use the throttle only rather than pedal, which then engages the motor. We're now going to be talking about the range and speed on this bike. So if you do manage to keep it to the 15.5 miles an hour, which it comes restricted at, you can expect to get about 50 miles range out of this e-bike. But the max range does depend on the rider's weight, road conditions, weather, and many more factors. I'm going to start by talking about the mud guards at the front. As you can see, this will prevent any mud from being splattered up. Really nice design with a matte black finish. Coming to the rear, so the rear mud guard is just below the rack. And again, so you're riding along, this will prevent the mud being splattered up your back from the rear side. So really, really nice feature overall on the bike.